It is given two functions, f and g. We need the set of values of x such that f is less or equal than g. If a similar problem is with a calculator, you can easily solve it by plotting a graph or graphs. But let's consider how to solve it without a calculator. So we need x plus 4 over x plus 1 be less or equal than x minus 2 over x minus 4. And the method is the next. We move all terms to one side, for example, to the left, so that we compare with 0. So it becomes x plus 4 over x plus 1 minus x minus 2 over x minus 4 is less or equal than 0. Then we need a single fraction, so we make a common denominator, and it becomes x plus 1 x minus 4 x plus 4 x minus 4 minus x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 1 less or equal than 0. Then let's simplify numerator, and it becomes x squared minus 16 minus x squared plus x negative 2 with minus plus 2 over x plus 1 over multiplied by x minus 4 is less or equal than 0. So we get x minus 14 over x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 4 is less or equal than 0. Then we need zeros of the numerator and of the denominator. So we consider numerator is 0, denominator is 0, and we denote the obtained roots on the number line. So when numerator is 0, x is 14, and a point is included because here is less or equal, so point is included, 14 is included, and all zeros from numerator and points included or excluded according to sign here. So 14 is included, and zeros from the denominator are always excluded because when we divide by 0 we get infinity and function is undefined. So negative 1 and 4 always excluded. It doesn't matter that here is less or equal. And hence we get 1, 2, 3, 4 regions, and sign within each region is constant. And to find sign of this function, for example, on this region, we take any value from this region, for example 0, and substitute 0 for x and get 0 minus 14 negative, 0 plus 1 positive, 0 minus 4 negative, negative over negative is positive, so sign of this region is positive. And when we get polynomial over polynomial, a sign alternates, and we get plus minus plus minus, or you can similarly check sign. For example, for this region you can consider negative million, negative million, negative, 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 so it's negative, so it's minus. And here, for example, 10, 10 minus 14, negative, positive, positive, so negative, minus. And then, since we need this function be less or equal, so we need minus, and hence we write the answer. And the answer is x less than negative 1, because negative 1 is excluded, or x is in between 4 excluded, 14 included, so we can write x or x greater than 4 or less or equal than 14. Or it may be written in the next form: x is from negative infinity to -1 excluded union from 4 to 14 included. Or it may be used such sign for excluded, so maybe like this. -1 14 like this. And that's all for this question.